To set up Cash App donations on Twitch, you need to start by creating a Cash App account if you do not already have one. Download the Cash App from the App Store. Sign up with your email address or phone number, and follow the prompts to verify your account. Once you have verified your account, you will receive a unique Cash App tag, which is also known as a cashtag. Next, you need to link your Cash App account to your Twitch channel. To do this, log into your Twitch account and go to the channel settings. In the channel settings, you will find an option to add a donation link. Click on this option and select Cash App as your preferred donation method. After selecting Cash App, you will be prompted to enter your cashtag. Enter your cashtag and click Save. Your Cash App donation link will now be displayed on your Twitch channel, allowing viewers to donate to you using Cash App. To make it easier for your viewers to donate, you can also add a donation button to your Twitch stream. To do this, go to the Twitch stream settings and click on the Edit Stream Info option. In the Edit Stream Info section, you will find an option to add a donation link. Enter your Cash App donation link and click Save. It is also a good idea to set up a donation alert on your Twitch channel. A donation alert is a notification that appears on your stream when someone donates to you using Cash App. To set up a donation alert, you will need to use a third-party service such as Streamlabs or DonorBox. These services allow you to customize your donation alerts and integrate them with your Twitch channel. Finally, make sure to follow all of Twitch's community guidelines and terms of service when setting up Cash App donations on your channel. This includes being transparent about your donation process and not using donations to solicit or promote external links. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Cash App donations on your Twitch channel and start receiving donations from your viewers.